Hi, I'm Brian O'Reilly, founder of Fusion Events. We don't just plan events, we create extraordinary experiences that spark imagination and leave a lasting impression. This year, Cert to challenge Fusion Events to organise something truly special for Bloom Festival. An activation that's not only engaging but aligned with our values of sustainability and innovation. So we went looking for an old exhibition trailer, abandoned, weather-worn and ready for the scrap heap. The result, a fully upcycled activation hub, reborn as part of the sustainable stage of Bloom. And here's the exciting part. This trailer is now part of our reusable fleet. It can be branded, customised and redeployed for your next product launch, roadshow or festival experience. The exhibition trailer is an excellent place to meet people in a comfortable and quiet space. Let's create something amazing together here at Fusion Events.